Okay. Hello everyone, today is Canada Day today. Oh no, Thanksgiving Day, right? Oh.
Yes.
It's my side is Brother Roland. We are working before at the Plaza Philippine Stock Exchange, bro, right? Philippines
Yes.
with Aristocrat. And we are now here in Chili Walk. We are working after like more than 20 years. And now we found each other here in Canada, in Richmond. Now we are going here somewhere at Chili Walk, BC, Canada, for our relaxation for this and fellowship for our day of today, because today is our Thanksgiving Day for Canada. So I would like to introduce my brothers, brother Rolando Purpura from Quezon. Oh, say bro, say something, bro.
Hi, I'm
Alright.
Jan Ron.
Yes, and this is our first shoot here. So this is British Columbia, somewhere in Chili Walk. We'll see you then later, okay? Okay, this is my brother, Kesamo's brother. Okay, the wife of brother Roland and her crispy daughter. Okay, brother, bro, sana. Okay, see you then later. Bye bye. Okay. Okay, we are now in Chili Walk. Oh, and it's a beautiful place here in British Columbia, and this is my first vlog here. I'm having a fellowship with my friend. Okay, we are going now to the lake. So this is the Chili Walk lake. It's a fresh water, bro, no? Okay, this is the walk trail here. Cultus Lake. And on my front is brother Mark, my collaboration on YouTube. When I was if I won the election, bro, don't worry. Okay, so we just passed by the narrow here, and if you see the surroundings, so it's yeah, more like a province. Oh, magtagalog tayo. Oh. Yan si Mark, ang Buhay Canada Vloggers, ng aking collaborator. Okay? Ano ito si Indong 20 years ago, hindi kami nakita. Ngayon lang kami nakita. At saka kasama niya asawa niya si Miss Gloria. Okay? From Quezon. So, napakaganda ng lugar dito na kailangan namin i-enjoy kasi today is our fellowship and it's the Thanksgiving. So, and we're close now in the lake. Oh my goodness, this is what I want. So fresh and ang lamig, ano? Oo. Ayan na, ang lake. Oh, there's so many fishing. This is the fishing area. Wow, I like it. This is the activity here during this event, especially Thanksgiving. If you see her. Hello, brother. You catch a kite? And how many fishers? Look at. Oh my goodness, look at that. Doon ako sa kabila.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, yeah, may nahuli na. Ayun, oh, ang laki. Next year, magano tayo. Yeah, ang laki, oh. See, and catch one here I found. You see, there's some fish all over. Look at the fish, bro. Deads. So this is the end of their life as a salmon. This is just growing up from the Pacific Sea, going up here down to the Alaskan lake, and then after release their eggs, then they will die along the way. And if some bears also will, this is their food, source of food. There's so many. If you see her in my side in this lake, all over the street, lots of fish died along the way. So they just naturally deform and back to the earth. So this is the situation of here in Chili Walk, and you can see how many fishermen are there line up just to catch. You see the fish there. He catch one fish there. You see, it's a huge, and all over there, and the birds is also devouring the remain of the fish. Alright, you see, brother, napakadami. Yeah. So nag-release na sila ng eggs, and and that's the time they will die. Yeah. Okay, and if you see the bird there sitting in that corner, that's I don't know what kind of bird is that, but it's really yeah, first time I experienced this kind of happening. Today is fall season, right?
Yeah.
Close to winter, and if you can see all the dead salmon here all over the place. Wherever you go, there's so many salmon. I want to focus the birds here. He's very friendly. And, hello bird, how are you? I'm fine. Are you okay? Yes. So I want to focus that bird because it's very friendly. He just watch people are fishing. This kind of bird is only live in this lake and is very preserved by Canadian Natural Resources. Some people, you can see, there's so many birds are flying all over the place. And if you can see here, so many fishermen in the middle of the lake that catch some fish and enjoy the moment. And just after we catch the fish, they will just release the fish. Okay, all right. So this is Brother Armando, and thank you so much. I'm so happy. I'm treasure this moment in this kind of experience here in Chilliwack, BC, Canada. See you then. Okay, we are now at Coltos Lake here, and I'm gonna make some vlog this area. Different lake, and it's a beautiful place. I like this place. It's very quiet, so relaxing. And I will show you the lake there. Pretty close. Alright, I'm gonna show you later. Okay, we are now at the anong lake to na?
Coltos Lake.
Coltos. Magtagalog kami kay Bisaya man kami ba? Okay? Si Brother Roland, si Brother Mark, kasama ko siya sa Kisamos Splatter. After 20 years namin pinagsamahan sa take tight sa ang tawag nito, aristocrat in the Philippines. Now, nagkasama kami dito. Hindi yan coincidence, it is a blessing na magkasama kami. Sa likod niya po ay si Ma'am Gloria, ano yan? Arroyo. Okay? Hindi makapurma sa picture. Okay, God bless you all! Na-video mo na?
Yeah.
Anong ibig sa transition?
Taas mo, dandahan. Yeah.
This is Chilliwack, BC, Canada. What a beautiful place. And people just walking around there. Naglalakad lang sila sa tabi ng sariwa. Ang linis, kapatid, ano? Oo, ito yung pinakagwapo kong kapatid eh. Asawa niya si Ma'am Gloria. God bless you all! Pagkain namin ang sarap. Oh. Dear Lord, thank you for this day. Thank you for the fellowship. Thank you din po sa safety for our travel here in this place, Chilliwack. Lord, bless also the food that we receive today to become anointed in our body. At pagpalain ng Panginoon for the rest of the day sa aming pagkama-sama to fellowship gathered together, O God, family of Brother Indong and Brother Mark. Bless the food once again. In Jesus' name we ask and pray. Everybody say it. Amen. Okay. This is our food. Mayroon kaming adobo, may plain rice. Ano to, bro?
Lechon paksiw na.
Lechon paksiw, and then
Meron din sila.
ginataang manok, at mayroon kaming spaghetti, and mayroon kami ditong fill-up rice. So, tira.
Bro, sell mo rin. Hindi pa lang naging
Oh, yeah, okay. Oh. Alright, kain muna kami. Okay, this is the history of this lake, Coltos Lake, here in Chilliwack, BC, Canada. English and French. Bilingual kasi ang Canada. Ayan. The history. Love it. Experience. First time I came here. And this is the park here. If you see the centennial trees, here these are preserved. I like nature. I know how God designed to see the barn of the tree. And this is really huge tree. This one. Kung yakapin ito, siguro mga 4 na tao. Yan. Ang laki ng tree na ito. Pero, it's very clean surrounding wherever you go here. You are not allowed to throw any garbage right beside in the lake. This is one of the famous spot for boating. You see in the other corner there's some boat. It's a beautiful place. Really relaxing. It's a blessing. We enjoy this nature. Okay, good morning everyone. This is Brother Armando, your personal chef today, but we are not here. But we have to do something special for us, okay?
Okay. This is Mark. Dandan lang. Ikaw.
Ian.
I'm Roland.
And Josie.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna pick one and I want to try what is the medyo maliit-liit. Lalaki. Ayun, sobrang laki. Oh, makikita mo yung ating kamay. Ito, oh. Ang laki. Grabe, ang laki. Oh. Okay, I try to bite this apple, huh? Oh, what is the taste? They're in Abbotsford, BC, Canada. One of the farm here. This is the first time I came here, but this is one of the famous farm here, picking apple. Ang crunchy, bro. Bro, grabing crunchy. My goodness. What a blessing, eh? I love you, Mark. Indong. Tatawid ako sa kabila. Aray ko, masikip. Ang sarap. Sinubukan kong kumain na may mask, pwede di pala. I love you guys. Nabilaw ka na ako.